So why do target CPA campaigns stop spending? Simple. Your cost per conversion has gone up. What does that mean? So if you look at your recent data, and depending on how many conversions you're getting, usually I stick to the last 30 days. If you're getting more conversions recently, maybe say 100 conversions a week, look at the last 7 days. You're gonna realize that your cost per conversion has probably gone up. So let's just say, for example, your cost per conversion was $20 and you were bidding at 30, a target CPA, and all of a sudden your cost per conversion is around 28. Google is telling you, based on these instructions, we can't find more conversions at the price that you wanted. And the question is, how do you fix this issue? The short-term answer is simple. You just increase the target CPA bid. I would increase it by a minuscule dollar amount. Let's just say my bid was at 30, maybe pop it to 35, 33, in that range, and see if it spends. I will not make this change many times during the day. I will make this change once, and maybe 6-8 hours later, if I know that my campaign is not pacing to spend, I will increase it again. If you're not sure, just let it run 24 hours, check the next day. Did it spend the full budget? No, pop up the bid again. But this is a short-term solution. The reason you have to look at is, why is my cost per conversion going down? It could be various things. It is usually because either the CPC went up, or your click-through rates went down, or there was an increase in your CPMs, which also increases the CPC. All of these things have to do with the creative. You are better off finding a way to edit your creative one way or another to see if that improves your conversion rate. The other thing it could be is very well your offer or your landing page. Did something change there? Maybe people are just tired of seeing that landing page. Maybe just switching that landing page back to another version could improve your conversion rate. A lot of people don't take the time to look at their offer. They want to run a campaign, and once it starts working, they believe that the audience won't get tired. That's not the case. People get tired of the creative. People get tired of even the landing page. So if you switch up the landing page a bit, and if you notice that, let's just say you had an opt-in rate of 25% and now it's at 12%, yes, your cost per conversion is gonna go up, and yes, your target CPA campaigns will stop spending. In summary, the short-term solution, simply slightly increase the bid. The long-term solution, the real solution to fix your problem, is diagnose everything. Diagnose your ad. Is your ad costing less than before? If it's costing the same, look at your offer and landing page. Has those numbers fallen off? Most likely you'll see that in one of those two scenarios, there's something going on. Make the fixes that you need to do there. Make sure your offer and funnel are working well. You're creative. When you launch your target CPA campaign, it will probably be better in the future. But remember, this stuff, no campaign lasts forever. All campaigns will die. You have to adapt, adjust. Once again, if you want to get more tips and tricks on YouTube ads, feel free to check out all the videos in the channel. If you really want to get in-depth knowledge, phone calls, course from A to Z, all the steps you need, then check out the link on the video and check out our Linx YouTube ads course.